Now it's time to pig killing.
The pig killing is a celebration of a sacrifice of a pig. The aim of the celebration is to make delicious sausages for the nutrition of a family for 1 year.
It's very popular in Galicia. It's once a year, usually in autumn, or the coldest months of the winter. We don't know their origin, but the Celts celebrating that.
There are 4 phases: fattening, slaughter, curing, and marketing. Fattening is usually used acorn to feed the pig. Slaughter. The pig will have a big breakfast because it's usually a hard working day, the day of the pig killing.
In the cure, the pig was killed and we cut it in pieces to make delicious sausages like chorizo or cured ham. Marketing. In the marketing, the most popular products are chorizo sausages, chorizos, grapes, and ham. Some sayings are:
A cada porco chegalle o seu San Martiño.
Every pig reads its San Martiño.
Día de Santo Tomé, colle o porco polos pés.
on Santo Tomés Days, take the pig on its post.
Nadal sen porcos non veñen moitos.
There aren't many Christmas without porks.
Por San Martiño, mata pobre seu cochiño.
On San Martiño, poor people kill their piglet.